नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु सदा. Now we are on the second part of sets, that is part 2. Now yesterday we have seen what is meaning of sets and we have studied some collection as a set or which collection is not. Now today we are going to write how to write the sets. So we are going to write methods of writing sets. Methods of writing sets. कितने मेथड्स है एक सेट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, राइट करने के लिए? तो देयर आर टू मेथड्स. There are two methods are there, and we are going to study how to write this. There are how to write the sets. First method is listing method. Listing method, or it is also called as roster form. I'll tell you how to write the sets by listing method or roster form. ये बहुत simple method है. Whatever yesterday, whatever sets we have represented, that is by listing method only, or that is also called as roster form. In this, all elements of given sets are represented in closed curly bracket. Curly bracket is nothing but bracket you are going to write in this way. So all elements of given sets are representing a closed curly bracket. This is a curly bracket. You are going to write the elements inside it. Second is elements are separated. Elements are separated by commas. Separated by what? Commas. Third, have you understood this? All elements of given set are represented in a closed curly bracket. Elements are separated by commas, and order of the element in bracket is not important. Means you are going to write the all elements in curly bracket, but order is not that. First should be that only. It is not a thing. We can write elements by any order. But all elements we must write. And fourth important point is an element in a collection, if the element is repeated, an element, if it is even if it is repeated, we we must write once. See once again. While writing this method, the first method is called as listing method or roster form. All elements of given sets are represented in a curly bracket, that is, this bracket is called as curly bracket. Okay. Elements are separated by commas. The order of element in a curly bracket is not important. We can write in any order, but all elements must be, you must write all the elements, and elements, even if it is repeated many times, we have to write once only. We'll take example. Set of letter in word India. The set of letters in word India. Now see, so if I am representing it by letter A, that should be capital letter, and then you are going to write in curly bracket, which is that I is first, so I am going to write I, then N, then D, then I's get repeated, so I am going to write A. But it is not necessary that it should be written in this order only. We can write in this way also. A is equal to D, N, I, A. Any order we can write. Have you understood this? Once again, we are going to study the first method of writing the sets, that is a listing method, or it is also called as what? Roster form. Repeating, listing method or roster form. All the elements of given sets are represented in what? Curly bracket. Elements are separated by commas. Order of the element in bracket is not important. We can write the element in any order, but all elements must be written. And elements, even if it is repeated, we have to write, we must write what? Once. Okay. For example, set of letters in word India. A is a set of INDA, but order is not important. We can write in any order. For example, okay, so I, comma N, comma D, comma A, or we can change the order of D, N, I, or A. But I, we are going to write I is repeated, but I written I once here, so I have written I once only. So please pause the video and copy down this. Now, we have completed first rule, and second one is now rule method or set builder form. First was listing method or roster form. It is a rule method and set builder form. Now this is, in this method, we are not going to list the element. So first thing is, in this method, the elements are not listed. In this method, elements are not listed, like listing method. If they are not listed, then how we are going to represent the elements? We are going to put a curly bracket as a previous one, but in this case, the elements of the set, see once again, first thing is what? Elements are not listed. The elements of the set are described. Elements of sets are what? Described by specifying what are you going to specify? Specify the property of what? The property of property which determines what? Uniqueness. Determines the element, a particular element determines the element of the set uniquely. Specify by what? The element uniquely. See once again, in this method we are not going to list the elements. So how we are going to represent it? The elements of the set are described by specifying property, okay, which determines what element of the set uniquely. See once again, I'll give the best example. First example we have taken, I'll take the same example. The set of vowels in English. Now this one, if I want to represent by first method, why we can write what? By listing method, or it is also called as what? Roster form, right? जो पहले हमने स्टडी किया था. How we are going to write? We are going to give the name as what? Suppose A, and we are going to write the all vowels. What which are that? A, E, I, O, U was an example. Correct it is. Then these are the vowels we are going to represent in this way. By which method? Listing method. But if I want to represent by rule method, which method is now? Rule method, or by set builder form. Then we are going to write, just see what I am writing. A is a set of all x such that, how am I going to write? A is a set of all x. This line is called as such that x is a vowel in English. So what we did, we specify its uniqueness. How you specify uniqueness? Just we have written this, and we are repeating once again. We are not going to specify all the elements. Just we are specifying one element. Suppose we are looking at A. So we are going to represent, A means what? We are going to represent all the elements, but you have to specify only one element by its uniqueness. So what is A? This is what you are going to write. A. A is a set of all x such that x is a vowel in English. This is the way you are going to write what? By rule method or set builder form. I'll take some more examples. We'll come to know how to write by what? This by rule method or set builder form. Okay, we'll consider second example. Set of days in a week. तो तुम्हें मालूम है कितने दिन होते हैं डेज में? So, set of days in a week के लिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Say B is a set of. We are going to write the name of all the days in a week. That is what I know: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is there. But again, I told you order is not important. So I will start with Wednesday. जो तुम्हें आइडिया आएगा कि मंडे से शुरुआत नहीं किया है, क्यों नहीं किया? Order is not important. Then I'm going to write Monday. Okay, I'm going to write Tuesday. Can I repeat Wednesday? No. then Thursday, then Friday. You can write Sunday before also. Friday के बाद Saturday and Sunday. But every element you are going to put what? Commas. This is by listing method. This method is called as what? Listing method or roster form. But same thing if I am writing by rule method, that is also called as what? Set builder form. Then B is a set of all elements such that, see once again, B is a set of all elements of Y such that Y is a day in a week. A day. You are not going to write days in a week. You are going to write a day in a week. Suppose I will take one more example. Third example. First six multiple of say 5. Right set. So we are going to write by two methods. You get idea? If they will specify by which method they want, but I am writing that just you write down. So अगर मैं by listing method पे जा रहा हूँ, by listing method, which is also called as by roster form, I know that suppose I am going to take as a C is a set of, which are the first 6 multiple of 5? 5 is there, then 10 is there, then 15 is there, 20, 25 and 30. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. These are the first 6 multiple of what? 5. That is by which method now? Listing method. Again, order is not important, but to understand, I have written in order only. Okay. By rule method. Rule method से लिखने के लिए और by set builder form. See, what I am going to write? C is a set of all x and x. We can write in the same word is a first 6 multiple of 5. ये लिखा तो चलेगा. और C is a set of all x and x is equal to phi n. X is equal to phi n. अभी n कहां से आया? तो I can write that n belongs to natural number. Means ये जो n है वो किसका बिलोंग कर रहा है? I told you that capital N means what? Natural numbers ना. So natural number कौन से होते हैं? 1 भी हो सकता है, 2 भी हो सकता है, 3 भी हो सकता है, 4 हो सकता है, 5 हो सकता है, 6 हो सकता है, but 7 नहीं होगा because 5 7 से कितना होता है? 35. So we are going to write n is less than 7. Just see, थोड़ा सा तकलीफ होगा ये समझने के लिए, but it is easy. How I written C? I have to write this na for 6 multiple of 5. So this is an easy method, but while writing by rule method or set builder form, you are going to specify the uniqueness of that element. So what I have written? ये लिख सकते हैं आप लोग क्या? C is a set of all x such that x is the first 6 multiple of a first 6. multiple of what? 5. Or what I have written, C is a set of all x such that x is equal to 5. But n क्या है? N belongs to natural number. We know that. What is the meaning of natural number? Natural number may be 1, maybe 2. Suppose I put 1, 5 ones are 5. 5 to 2, 10. 5 to 3, 15. 5 to 4, 20. 5 to 5, 25. 5 to 6. But 5 to 7 is not there. So I have written this one. Or. See once again. C is a set of all x. X is equal to 5 and n belongs to natural number. पहले जैसे ही. Okay. And now I am writing n is less or 6 than. Less or equal to 6 means अगर ये symbol डालता हूँ ना, less or equal to means we are going to consider 6 also. So it will be 1, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. But what I have written, less or equal to 6. This is the way we are going to write what? Both the methods. What is that? Listing method as well as set builder form. But I think you are not very much confident about a set builder form. When we do the rest of the questions from the problem set, this one, practice set, everything will get clear. Comment on this. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the practice set 1.1. First question is write the following set in roster by roster. In roster method का ही मतलब क्या होता है? Listing form होता है. Right? It is. So I have written 4 questions on the board. Pause the video, read the questions, and try to answer it. No need to. No, please don't write. Just find out the answers. What should be the answer of it? Okay. I think you got the answers. Set of even numbers. So set by roster form or set in roster form. I'll give the name as A. Which are the even numbers? So 2, 4, 6, 8. बहुत सारे हैं. In that case, you are going to put dot, 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 and 3 dots are enough. Huh? Have you understood this now? Now, set in roster form. They have given set of prime numbers. We know that the prime number is the number which is divisible. Again, set of even prime numbers. Just we'll see that what is meaning of prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by itself. 2 is there. 2 is divided by itself as well as 1. 3. 3 is divided by 3 or 1. 4. But 4 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 2. 5 is again prime number. It is divisible by 1 or 5. 6 is not a prime number. 7, it is a prime number. 8, not a prime number. 9, again not a prime number, it is divisible by 3. 10, not a prime number. 11, prime number. 13, prime number. 12, not a prime number. So like that, how many they have asked the prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now come to know one more word they have given, even prime number. So student, please keep in mind, 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So what you are going to write is B. Just you are going to write 2. They have given 1 to 50, but 2 छोड़ के और कोई prime number होता ही नहीं है. 2 is the only even prime number. If you want to write, to keep in mind, you can write what? 2 is only even prime number. Just to fool you, they have given 1 to 50, but 2 is the only even prime numbers. Now again, I think you got the answer. Set in roster form. See, I'll give the name C in curly bracket. Which are the negative integers? -1, -2, -3, dot, dot, dot. We'll continue like this. And 7 basic sounds of a sargam, that is sur. So I can write set in roster form. It is also called as listing method. I'll give the name as D, capital D, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, and Sa will not come. See once again, which are the 7 basic sounds of Sargam? Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. But Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, correct? Dha, Ni. But Sa is again coming, so we will not repeat that. So this is I think you got the answer. तो इतने स्मार्ट है कि मेरे पहले लिखा रहेगा या जज किया रहेगा. Now you copy down this properly. Okay. Write the following. Second question. Write the following symbolic statement in words. They are given 3 questions. This, and this. I think you know the answer. Again, you pause this video. Just this answer. Okay? And tell me. Okay. See. Now I think you got the answer. So, answer for it is, what is that? 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 is an element of set Q. Or we can write 4 upon 3 belongs to set Q. You got it? What is meaning of this vertical line here? I think you know it. What is that? Minus 2 is not an element of set N, or minus 2 does not belongs to set N. Is it right? And this, how you are going to write? Here I am going to write set P is a set of all P. See, set P is a set of all P. This is a capital P. This one is small. Such that, what is the vertical line? Such that, see once again, set P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. Have you understood this? Now copy down this. Okay. Now they asked you to write any 2 sets by listing as well as what? And rule method. So whatever examples we have given, give one of the 2 example और हम लोग उसी तरह से करो. Okay, solution. First example I am taking the set of first 5 multiple of first 6 multiple. First 6 multiple of 5. So by listing method. लिस्टिंग मेथड का मतलब होता है रोस्टर फॉर्म. What is that? A is a set of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. You got it? Then by rule method, that is nothing but what? By set builder form, A is a set of all x such that x is equal to what I told you, 5 and n belongs to natural number and n is less than 7. This is the example. We are going to repeat it. Just copy down this. Second example, you can give us what? Set of days in a week. So we know that by listing method or by roster form or in roster form. What I can write? B is a set of, I told you that, Wednesday, then Monday, then Tuesday, then Thursday, then Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday. Is it right? And by rule method or in set builder form, this B is a set of all Y such that B is a day in a week. These two examples here with you. You can give your own and any other examples also. They have asked only two examples, that is according to you, not by them. So fourth question is write the following sets by using listing method. They ask the first question, all months in the Indian solar year. Indian solar year. So student, now it is like we have to collect some general knowledge. Like in English months we are having January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So like that, in Indian solar system, we have to bahad all the 12 months of Indian solar system or Indian solar year, like Chat, Vaishak, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik. So I will do one thing. I will write that, okay, and that will continue. Okay. So which are the 12 months? They are to bahad. Okay, which are that? We are going to write V is a set of Chaitra, Vaishak, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashish, Paush, May, Falgun. Please copy down this and you have to bahad na. मुझे भी इतना याद नहीं है, बट मैं ट्राई किया बाहर करने का. विचार है चैत्र, वैशाख, ज्येष्ठ, आषाढ़, श्रावण, भाद्रपद, अश्विन, कार्तिक, मार्गशीर्ष, पौष, माघ and फाल्गुन. Just copy down this question. Just pause the video and copy down. Now students, second question, letters in the word complement. This I have completed. तो इसका भी आंसर आप लोग लिख सकते हैं. Set of human sensory organ. Just find out कौन से sensory organs होते हैं. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20 this. And name of the continents of the world. Just pause video and try to find out the answer. I think you got the answer, right? It is. So answer set using listing method. I'll give the name A. Which are the letters in word complement? C is there, then O is there, then M is there, P is there, N is there, E is there, M get repeated, E got repeated, N is there, and P is there. So we are not going to write the words twice. So C O M P L E, but M is coming again. It is get repeated. I have not written it again. E is I have not written. E is there. M repeated. N is there and T is there. You got it? And I think you know the human sensory organs. Which are the human sensory organs? Okay. B, I'll give the name as B, is a set of what? Which are first sensory organ? See, which are the sensory organs? Nose is there, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sensory organs that you have to write by putting a commas in between. So this is what said using listing method. You have to write all the sensory organs like nose, ears, eyes, tongue and skin. Now set of prime numbers again. Set using listing method. See once again. Suppose I am giving the name as C, capital C. Prime numbers, I told you that the numbers which are divisible by itself or 1. But one thing please keep in mind, 1 to 20. So 1 to 20 में first thing is 1 is not a prime number. Please ध्यान देना, 1 do not take as a prime number. 1 never be prime number. But I told you that 2 is the only even prime number. So that you are going to write 2. 3, it is a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. 5, it is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. But 7 is a prime number. 8 is not a prime number. 9 also, it is divisible by 3, it is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 12, not a prime number. 12, not a prime number, means 13 is a prime number. 14, it is not a prime number. 15 is also not a prime number. 16, no. 17, it is a prime number. And 19 is our last prime number. So this is where you have to write the answer. Okay? Now, okay. Name the contents of the word. याद है कि नहीं कितने contents है? How many there? 7. Okay? Continents of the word. We know there are 7 continents are there. Try करो again general knowledge. Okay? पहला तो एशिया हमें छोड़ेंगे नहीं. दूसरा रहेगा नॉर्थ अमेरिका. तीसरा रहेगा साउथ अमेरिका. Then यूरोप. Then Africa. Then Australia. And one more thing is Antarctica. ये 7 भी याद रखने. वापस I'll repeat. एशिया, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, यूरोप, अफ्रीका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अंटार्कटिका. So we are going to write set using listing method. I will write its name as a D and I will start with Asia. Okay? Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. So please again you have to थोड़ा सा general knowledge बढ़ाना है आपको. You have to put in a curly bracket. Now copy down all this question. Just pause the video and copy down it. Now last question of practice set 1.1. Write the following set by using rule method. There are total 5 sub questions are given. I have done 2 sub questions. And as usual, please student, you have to think for this question. Pause this video. सोचो इसके बारे में कैसा लिखना है. And we'll continue. So this is a question given. So over here only I will answer 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, and you are going to write by rule method set builder form. तो set using rule method. Once again, just see, they are given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. तो कुछ तो रिलेशन है. अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है कि which are these numbers है, क्या नंबर्स है, तो तुम्हें लग रहा है कि 1 is the square of 1, 2 is the square of 2 का square 9, yeah, these are the squares. If you want to simplify, you can write, therefore, A is a set of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square and 10 square. And after writing this, we are going to write set using rule method. In this case, these are the squares, right? So I will remove these ones. Okay. See now. We are using rule method, and I want A is a set of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So A is a set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. ये क्या है n? N is what? Natural number. But some natural numbers हमने लिए हैं क्या? 9. Last natural number is what? 10. So what I can write is n is less than 11. This is by rule method. You got it? See once again. What question they are given to you? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. We know that these are the squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square. Now, set by using this method, A is a set of all x such that x is equal to n square. N belongs to what? Natural number. And n is less than. See the remaining 4 questions. They are given B, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. ये आपको सोचना है. C is a set of S, M, I, L, E. आपको सोचना है. D is a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. That you have to write the set by using rule method. This A, T, E, again you have to write what by using rule method. Pause video and judge the answer. I think you are the idea about it. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are. फिर समझ में आया तुम लोग को? तो set using rule method. इसे आप लोग आंसर लिखो और डायरेक्टली चालू करो. That is what B is a set of all x such that x is equal to 6n, because they are coming in the table of what? 6n. N belongs to natural number, and but 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 fours are 6 fives are 6 sixes are 6 sevens are 6 eights are. So I can write n is less or equal to 8, or if you want to write less than, you have to write what? 9. But I'm going to write what? Less or equal. That both the things are right. Okay. Now come to this. Set using rule method. In this case, what you are thinking that C is a set of all y and y is a letter in word. Which word it is? दिख रहा है, smile है. Okay, so we can write what? Smile. Smile, double N na? Or any other word which contain all these words you can write. So C is a set of all y is a letter in word smile. Then this we have already completed. D is a set of Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what you are going to write? Set by using a rule method or by set builder form. D is a set of all x such that x is a day in a week. You got it? Now again ATE. So set by using rule method. X is a set of all x such that x is a letter in word. Which word is that? Eight, eat, anything can do. I get what? My favorite word, tea. Copy down these questions. Just pause the video, and this is the last question of your practice set 1.1 and last question of your part 2 set. Okay? Okay? So, copy down this, and in next session we are going to continue with the third part. And now the next part is interesting. अभी आपको धीरे धीरे चैप्टर में बहुत, you'll enjoy this topic. It's a very easy as well as fantastic topic.